Hello and welcome to the sunny Päijänne, Finland. At the moment it's the end of the March 2025 and the spring is well along. The sun is shining brighter and warmer, the days are getting longer and everything is smelling like spring. Everything has gone well with the boat during the winter. Well, during this winter the ice thickness has not been so great on this lake, and even in this bay the maximum ice thickness was around 20-25 centimeters, and at the moment it's just 10-15 centimeters. So within few weeks all the ice will have melted away. As some of you noticed from the last autumn videos, this swim deck which we built last spring, it came a little bit too low after all. It's now touching the water when driving and the water is splashing on it. So we thought that the first project on this spring we are going to raise it a bit. It's easy to do from the ice. Ice is still strong, we can walk on it, and there's no water on the ice, so it's dry, it's a bit warm, beautiful spring day. So next let's raise the swim deck. So now we have completed raising the swim deck. We raised it 12 centimeters. Now it's well above the water. Obviously it's a bit harder to get on it from the water, but that's why we have the small ladders there that when you're swimming you can easily come up onto the deck. So now we are waiting the ice to melt so we can go and test this out. While we're waiting ice to melt, we can try a little bit ice fishing. This was the 15th and the final episode of this boat building series. Thank you so much that you were with us. Many of you followed the episodes all the way from the beginning. Many of you gave thumbs ups and many of you gave very nice comments. Thank you so much. As you can see, the lake is still frozen, but maybe 1 or 2 more weeks and the sailing can start. Whether it will be us or someone else with this boat, we'll see. Anyway, the projects and videos will continue in the future, so thank you so much if you feel like subscribing and hitting the notification so you can see the next video when it is released. We want to conclude this episode and this series with the Northern Light pictures that we filmed just a few days ago, just here at this bay, just a few meters away from the boat. So with these pictures we say thank you and see you soon.